Good morning, student of class 9th. From few classes we discussed about the chapter diversity, and last class we complete the chapter of plantia kingdom, and today we discussing the last kingdom is the Animalia. And it has many phylum, so be patient to read this kingdom. First one is the Porifera. Second one is the Coelenterata. Third one is the Platyhelminthes. Then Nematoda. Then Annelida. Then Arthropoda. Mollusca. Echinodermata. Chordata. And the chordata is also divided into protochordata and vertebrata. Protochordata and vertebrata. So come to the first phylum is Porifera. Last class we discussed about the some topics and related terms to this kingdom Animalia. One is the body symmetry, means body symmetry is the symmetry present in the body. It may be bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. Bilateral symmetry found in the planaria and radial symmetry is found in the starfish. Germ layer also is the next related term. It may be diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic contains exoderm and endoderm, and triploblastic contains exoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Third is the coelomate. Coelom also contains three parts: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and coelomate. Acoelomate is no body cavity. Pseudocoelomate is false body cavity, means its body cavity is present but it is functionless. And last one is the coelomate, means true body cavity is present. Next term is the segmentation, means body is divided into many metameric lines like a earthworm and cockroach. Means body is divided into many segments. And last one is the skeleton, means hard body support. It may be exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton present outside the body parts and endoskeleton present in the inside the body part. So come to the first phylum, Porifera. Porifera, from its name, pori means porous like body. Porous like means porous present in the whole body of the animal. It is the animal called Sycon. Okay. It is attached to the ground with the strong support. It may be stone, it may be water, ground part. Strong support, it needs strong support, and the whole body contains a small pore. Or these pores present in the whole body of the Sycon, so it is called Porifera, means pores present in the whole body of the animal. The first point is the porous body. Porous body or holes present all over the body. All over the body. Okay, example, cycon. And it is a cellular level organization. It is discussing about the primary level, so it is a cellular level organization, not tissue level organization, because this is the first phylum of the Animalia. So it develops slowly from one phylum to last phylum. So it is a cellular level organization, means it develops in the cellular level, not in the tissue level. Cellular level organization means body is not complex. Complex body structure of the cycon is not present. Cycon contains simple structure, so it is called a cellular level organization because it contains just a pore and strong support for their moving in the streams or vines or any other things. Non-motile attached to the substratum. This part is the motile जो मूव करता है, और दिस पार्ट इज द नॉन मोटाइल, सो इट नीड्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट. नॉन मोटाइल अटैच्ड टू substratum and it covered with hard exoskeleton. It covered with hard exoskeleton, and you know that the all animals developed from the sea level organization, so it is a marine animal, means it present in the marine or sea. So first one is the cellular level organization, means body is not fully developed, so it is called a cellular level organization, and body is when fully developed, it is called a tissue level organization. So this is a simple structure of the cycon. Cycon contains simple structure for their existence, so it is called cellular level organization. And non-motile, this part is the non-motile. It is also non-motile, but few cases it moves like water streams, like winds. It moves along with the direction of air or water, and this is the strong. It needs strong substratum for their attachment to the earth. It is covered with exoskeleton. It is the covered with exoskeleton, means this is the hard or tough layer of the body of cycon. So it is protect inside body parts of the cycon, and it is almost a marine. Next phylum is the Coelenterata. Next phylum is the Coelenterata. Next is the Coelenterata. Coelenterata, cavity in body. Cavity present in body. And it is the second phylum of the animal kingdom, though it is a little more developed than the Porifera, and it is a diploblastic, or also called diploblastic. Diploblastic means it contains ectoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderm means it is the outer cover, so it contains ectoderm, and this is the endoderm, means it is lack the presence of the third germinal layer called the mesoderm. So it is called little developed from the. I also taught you that the development is the slow process from one by one. So Porifera is simple development. There is no present of the germ layer, so it is not differentiated into the diploblastic or triploblastic. But Coelenterata is a little more developed than the Porifera, so it contains the diploblastic. Means it is little development of the ectoderm germ layer and endoderm germ layer into the Coelenterata, and it is the acoelomate. Acoelomate in the sense of that no body cavity. Means cavity present is a false. This first topic is the cavity in body. Cavity in the sense ki as a whole present in the body. But acoelomate is the body cavity. matlab no body cavity for its function. It is a false. And acoelomate means no body cavity, and this body cavity helps in the removal of waste material from inside the body to the outside of the body. This cavity present just a space, and this body cavity is the support for the movement of waste material from inside of the body to outside of the body. So this is acoelomate, means if this is the mouth part of the animal, and in this mouth part it eats some substances from outside of the body, then the waste material removed from the body through the same way of their body. Means mouth is the function of two function. One is the taking of the food and another one is the removal of waste material. So it is no body cavity, hence there is no other function or other body function to help the removal of waste material from the other part of the body. Example is the coral reef. Corals reef, which also always present in the group, and is the Hydra. Hydra always present in the solo, means it lives in a single, but coral reef always present in the group. It is not present in the solo or single. For example, this is the Hydra. This is mouth part, and through which it eat some substances, and from this part it release the waste material from their body. So there is no other opening to remove the waste material from their body. So it is called the acoelomate, means body cavity not present. Next class we discussed about the third phylum of the Animalia kingdom, Platyhelminthes, and then Nematoda. For today, thank you.